We're standing outside of our SMIC laboratory. SMIC is the Skidmore Microscopy Imaging Center. And this is a very unique space. We had all these instruments in our old space, but when we moved to this space, we now have them all located in one single space. We also have centered all of our microscopes around our teaching area, which we didn't have. Now students can come in, they sit, they learn about what they're going to do with these microscopes, and then they disperse to the highly specialized rooms. So what we have right here is our new teaching space. We didn't have this before in our old space. So now when our students come in and they want to learn these sophisticated imaging techniques, we sit here, we talk about the theory, the practice, and then we go to the 8 different rooms using the highly specialized microscopes.
Okay, the space here in this Center for Integrative Sciences is truly wonderful. It's spacious, it's modern, it has all of the safety controls. It's going to allow us to do 2 things. First of all, it's going to allow us to provide top-of-the-line instruction to our students, and it's also going to be able to support modern research in all different areas. Right now we're in the Organisable Biology part of the building, and it's going to promote genetics, it's going to promote plant biology and developmental biology in research and in teaching.
Okay, welcome to the CES building. We're on the ground level outside of the geothermal mode. Geothermal is a key element in the LEED certification for this new science building. 240 bores are heating and cooling this building and the future building. So another key thing about the LEED building is light harvesting. And what that means is, in this case, in this laboratory, you can see the lights behind you are on. The lights next to the window are off. That's because there's a sensor telling this side of the room there's enough working surface light. You do not need to have your LED lights on. It's just using the light from the outside. So that's the light harvesting. And you'll see that throughout this building also.
But I think the space that we now have is top-notch and state-of-the-art, and I think that's the thing that makes it most exciting, that we're in modern facilities for excellence in teaching and research. We could teach, and as soon as we finish providing a concept, we can go into one of the laboratories and show the students how the microscopes work. Or students could come in and they could prepare their materials in the general central classroom area and go right on to the microscope. So the efficiency levels have increased tremendously with this new building.
One of the things that is extremely gratifying is that over the last 4 decades or so at Skidmore has accomplished that vision of building sciences pretty much from scratch in a very short time that are comparable to the science programs at the best liberal arts colleges. Really, it goes back to David Porter, who explicitly recognized that Skidmore can't be a top liberal arts college unless it has first-class programs that are competitive in every area of the liberal arts, and that includes the natural sciences. And I would say with the construction of this science center, we already have the students, we already have the faculty, we have the institutional support and the vision. So I think we're reaching that point right now as this building is complete. We'll be there, and then I think that's as good as it gets.